Hello viewers, today in this video I will take the chapter Economic Reform since 1991. Under this is it comes under the book Indian Economic Development Part B. Today's topic is positive and negative effects of Indian economy. So positive effects. What are the positive and negative effects of Indian economy of LPG, liberalization, globalization and privatization? क्या इसमें कुछ अच्छी बातें भी हुई, हमारे देश को फायदा भी हुआ, अगर नहीं हुआ वो क्या नहीं हुआ, अगर हुआ तो क्या हुआ? No doubt we made a remarkable progress in all sectors of the economy but except agriculture sector. But in agriculture sector still we made progress. So positive impact, higher growth rate. After independence, growth rate is 0.5%. But at present it is around between 1951 to 1980, 0.5% to 4%. And between 1981 to 2012, 5% to 8.2%, which is quite good. So in economics, the growth of the economy is measured by the GDP. कभी भी आप न्यूज सुनते हैं तो आपको GDP बढ़ गई, GDP घट गई. What does it mean? In economics, the growth of the economy is measured by the GDP. So next, first point of positive impact हम समझ रखी कि then growth of service sector. सबसे ज्यादा किसने की? Industrial sector reported fluctuations, means कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे, but the growth of service sector has gone up. Service sector में remarkable growth हुई. It is around 10%, more than 10%. It is because of LPG policies that IT industry, IT information technology, it is because of LPG policy that IT industry in India has achieved global recognition. आज information technology में दुनिया में इंडिया का नाम है और foreigners are inviting Indian people to come here and do work related with the IT work, software especially. Increase in FDI, foreign direct investment. So private foreign investment has taken a big jump, quantum jump after the adoption of LPG policies. It is a matter of great relief to the government. गवर्नमेंट के लिए बहुत बड़ा ये रिलीफ है because we are earning foreign exchange and also strengthening the economy. It is possible with the innovative technique of production because जब हमने exchange of knowledge, exchange of capital or other good things, so we are also making progress and the world is also progressing. Increase in foreign exchange reserve, it results GDP growth, increase in FDI, it results increase in foreign investment, the foreign exchange reserves. Because of LPG policy, foreign exchange reserve of the country have now reached a comfortable level. Comfortable level means we are in a position to do trade whatever we would like to do trades. It enhances economic confidence of the global investor. दुनिया का जो investor है, they are thinking that we can invest in India, we can do the trade better in a better way in India. So India recognized as an emerging economic power. तो इंडिया को भी ये समझने लगे कि ये भी एक अच्छी पावर है. People are hardworking, they are knowledgeable. But earlier it was thought that ये तो एक सांप सपेरों का देश है, लोग बुद्ध की पूजा में रहते हैं. They do not believe in working hard. So benefits to Indian companies. It has provided competition in the domestic market. Multinational corporations set up joint venture with Indian companies. जो मल्टीनेशनल कॉर्पोरेशन है उन्होंने इंडियन कंपनी के साथ ज्वाइंट वेंचर किया, परसेंटेज ऑफ शेयर्स, प्लस दे गॉट द एडवांटेज, सिक्योरिटी, सेफ्टी, लेबर, एंड देयर आर मैनी थिंग्स. And Indian company, they got benefited. They provided, means foreigner provided additional investment and latest technology. This is one of the latest advantage. And it results consumer sovereignty. Consumer sovereignty, there are so many brands in the market of different companies from the different parts of the world. People are liberal to purchase goods, whichever is less. And these are the positive effects. There are many more, but according to your syllabus, exam, class, these are enough. Now, negative effects. Neglect of agriculture. No doubt there are so many good points. हमने GDP बढ़ी, तरक्की हुई, स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग बढ़ा, हमारी कंपनीज को साथ मिला, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज बढ़ा, FDI रिजर्व बढ़ा. Now negative effects. Neglect of agriculture. Agriculture sector suffered a serious neglect. Due to this, growth rate has slipped miserable low level, that is between 2% to 3%. It widens the gap between rural and urban economies. Means what happened? Agriculture के ऊपर ध्यान नहीं दिया गया, so उधर ग्रोथ रेट बहुत कम चली गई. इससे क्या हुआ? शहर और गांव में फर्क आ गया. People, those who are living in the cities, they are getting opportunity to earn money, but people, those who are living in the rural area, they are getting less opportunity to earn money. So there is a gap between rich and the poor in rural and the urban area. Then jobless growth. Jobless. तरक्की तो हो रही है, but jobs are less. Means economic growth rate has increased. हमारे देश में इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ तो बढ़ रही है, बट जॉब्स हैव फेल्ड टू कम अप. अगर घर में एक दो लोग कमा रहे हैं, अच्छा कमा रहे हैं, बाकी के बेकार बैठे हैं, और यंग पीपल स्पेशली दे आर नॉट गेटिंग द जॉब्स, इकोनॉमी कैन नॉट मूव फॉरवर्ड. इट रिजल्ट्स वाइड स्प्रेड पॉवर्टी. Poverty is still widespread in the country. Standard of living improved in urban areas or urban India. LPG is urban concentrated, so MNC hardly traced rural areas because they are not getting benefit, and in the rural area there are less infrastructure. For example, a good type of road, air, power, infrastructure, communication, trade, energy, there are so many things. It results spread of consumerism and economic colonialism. इससे क्या हुआ कि जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां, इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, फॉरेनर, they came over and they dominate our industry. So these are the negative effects of LPG policy. Thank you very much.